Hi everyone. Today let's discuss about how to unbuild a product in Odoo 14 manufacturing. So unbuilding a product means we can separate the manufactured product components and bring that back to our stock. So when you open manufacturing module, you can find that option under operations, that is to unbuild orders. So you can create unbuild orders in two cases. That is, you can unbuild products you have built yourself in your manufacturing location, that is in your company's manufacturing production location. So, this is done when you manufacture products and found some defect and you don't want to scrap them. So that components can be, that is when you unbuild and your components can be reused. So after unbuilding, some components can be reused. Then in the second case, you can unbuild products you have received, that is you have purchased. So we can unbuild them and recycle them. So from here we can click create and create an unbuild order for a product. So I'm adding a product bench that is already manufactured, and here you can see bill of material of the bench and quantity. Then here we can attach a manufacturing order, that is if you have manufactured the product and found a defect and you want to unbuild, then you can attach, that is we can set that manufacturing order here. So here you can see for bench there is a manufacturing order, and here you can see the source location, that is location where the product you want to unbuild is. So this bench is in stock, and you can set a destination location, that is location where you want to send the components resulting from the unbuild order. So I'm setting it as shelf 1. Then after that we can save this and unbuild. So when you unbuild, you can see the product moves here. So when you click on this, you can see bench is moved from stock to production location. This was done before, and you can see the components is moved from production location to shelf 1. As we have set the destination location in unbuild order as shelf 1, you can see components moved back to shelf 1, and you can see wood. It is a byproduct which is moved from stock to back to production location. And the product also is moved from stock to production location. So here you can see our components, wood panel, screw and bolt is moved from production location to shelf 1, which was a destination location. It's a destination location that we have set in the unbuild order. And here you can see the product, that is manufactured product, and the byproduct is moved from stock to, that is back to production location. So unbuilding is done. And it is also possible to create unbuild order for a purchase product, that is if you want to reuse a purchase product's components. So from here we can select okay, so I have selected product that we have purchased, and bill of material can be seen here. Mm, and you can set source location, destination location, company. So there is no manufacturing order because we have purchased the product. Then you can click unbuild. Then when you check product moves, you can see the product is moved from stock back to production location, and components are moved from production location back to shelf. So that's how unbuild orders are created in Odoo 14 manufacturing.